In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event in Skool Calendar. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. In the results, click the official Skool site or your community's direct link. Take a quick look at the URL to make sure you're on the correct, secure page before moving on. This small check helps you avoid landing on the wrong site and saves time later. Once the site loads, log in with your usual account. If you're part of multiple communities, make sure you're in the right one before creating the event so it appears in the correct place for your members. From your community's top navigation bar, click the Calendar tab. This takes you to the community-wide schedule where members look for upcoming sessions, workshops, or live calls. It's the central hub for all time-based activities. In the top right corner of the calendar page, click the +Add Event button. This opens the event creation window where you'll enter everything your members need to know. Begin with the event name. Give your event a clear, specific title that instantly communicates what it is, like Weekly Q&A or Onboarding Workshop. Short and descriptive titles are easier to scan on the calendar and help members decide quickly if it's for them. Next, set the date and time by choosing your start and end. Skool automatically adjusts these for each member's local time zone, so you only need to choose the correct time in your own zone. This is especially helpful for global communities, and it even accounts for daylight savings changes. Double-check the duration so there's enough buffer for questions or overrun. Use the description to outline what will happen during the event. Share the agenda, who should attend, any prerequisites or materials to bring, and what members can expect to walk away with. Clear context reduces confusion and increases attendance. Add your meeting link in the link field. Paste a Zoom, Google Meet, or YouTube Live URL so members can join with one click. Ensure the link's permissions are set so attendees can access it at the scheduled time, and keep sensitive details out of the description. Now, set visibility. Choose All Members if the session is for your entire community, or Specific Courses if it's only for learners enrolled in particular courses. This keeps each member's calendar focused and relevant. When everything looks good, click Save to publish the event to the calendar. You'll see it appear right away, and members will see the correct local time automatically. You can always open the event later to make edits if needed. That's it. Your Skool event is ready to go.